This is the Sanborn UFV-250T Ultrafiltration System. This particular machine is designed to process oily wastewater in industrial applications to help customers significantly reduce the cost of disposal. This particular machine comes with a basket filter. This filter actually protects your coalescer from large amounts of solids. So the process water will be filtered through this. The air-operated pump will pump that process water into your coalescer. And that coalescer is designed to remove freestanding oil from the wastewater stream. Once the coalescer removes that freestanding oil, it's going to deposit that into your process tank. Now the process tank is pumped through these vertical pumps. These vertical pumps are sealless, which significantly reduces maintenance on those pumps. From there, the pump will process that through these vertical tubular membranes. These vertical membranes significantly improve the footprint of the machine by being vertical. They're also, as I mentioned, a tubular design. That tubular design really allows customers, it's a hardy design, allows customers to process wastewater with a high percentage of solids. The reason for that is the water is constantly flowing through these membranes. There's a lot of turbulence going through the membranes as clean permeates being drawn off of the membranes. That turbulence prevents the membranes from fouling from suspended solids. So it's processed through the membranes, clean permeate is drawn off from that, and then it's continually processed, put back into the process tank, and continually processed through the membranes of the system. The machine also has auto processing flush. This is an optional item on this machine. The auto processing flush actually allows the system to automatically clean these membranes whenever the machine is turned off. This is really important because you do not want wastewater to sit stagnant into the membranes themselves. If water sits in the membranes, suspended solids in the waste stream can foul those membranes. So it's really critical that the membranes are flushed every time the machine is turned off. The auto processing flush does that automatically. It transfers over to the clean pump, which is the pump on the left, draws water from the clean tank on that side of the machine, processes it through, flushes out the membranes, and actually puts that water back into the concentrate tank. All of these features allow customers to use this machine with very little maintenance, very little interaction from the user who's going to use the machine, which obviously reduces cost to the customer. This machine can be used on many different waste streams, whether it's mop water, whether it's coolant disposal, whether it's dye penetrant or washdown applications. There are many different oily wastewater applications that this machine can process, allowing customers to greatly reduce the amount of disposal cost, 95+%. If you're interested, please feel free to visit us at sanborntechnologies.com or on LinkedIn.